To record sounds on Nothing Phone 2a+, first of all you will have to open this app drawer and select Recorder application. Now you will have to accept these terms and condition if you are using this for the first time, and you've got few options. Take a look. You can focus on voice, you can get standard default recorder, and you can also record environment. Before you start recording, I can also recommend you to click on the settings, and as you can see, we can even enable the high quality format, and I can recommend you to turn it on. The records will sound better. So if you plan to record voices, just select the voice focus and click on this red button to start recording. And after you accept all of these permissions, as you can see, the record is on the way. And now you can pause. There we go. Now you can even listen to your current record. I'm gonna volume up. There we go. Take a look. Permissions, as you can see, the record is on the way. And if you want to continue, you have to go right here and tap on this button one more time. If you want to finish and save, click on the right bottom corner. Then you can give this custom name. Click save, and now you can listen to your records. Recording. And after you accept all of this, you can speed up by clicking here, or you can slow down. Thanks for watching.